that still unknown take control.
Stepping out the comfort zone, venture in the unknown. Stepping out the comfort zone, venture in the
Alright guys, we just came from, let me wait till this truck passes. Alright guys, we just came from the Arctic. Right now we're actually in Zurich City. And we can see what's up around this city. I'm just gonna check out the skate park and see the scenery out here. And yeah, but the shoot actually went well up in the Arctic, so yeah, we're just gonna find out what's up over here and just have some more fun in this beautiful city of Zurich. You already know. Let me show you what the city looks like so far and just so I'm walking to the skate park right now. And yeah. We're here at the skate park. You can see right here. Said it's the biggest skate park in Europe. Met some of the biker homies and yeah, it was definitely a great session today. About to head back out now and see what's happening. Shout out to Zurich. I came up here. Yo, what up, what up? So we're back, and right now I'm chilling on the pier in Zurich. This view is just absolutely amazing. You should see it. Let me just turn the camera right here. It's just super amazing just being out here, filming and just taking in the lifestyle of this beautiful country. Hopefully you guys like the video so far, and give it a thumbs up. You already know. And if you like the song, that would, let me know in the comment section if you really like the song. If you really mess with it, just let me know, and I'll try to make some more. Yeah, I mean, I'm just doing it just to enjoy life and just motivate myself to just keep doing different stuff. That's what life is all about, just living and doing your own thing and making sure you enjoy. Just love what you do and do what you love. This is another day in a different country, man. It's just so amazing to be out here. I can't even express the words on how everything has been. It's just been so successful. Traveling to different countries, different cities, all the way from the Arctics. Yeah, just enjoying life. So if you guys like the video, you guys like the music, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, you should be out here. It's just so amazing. It's so beautiful. I can't express how amazing it's been. It's not my first time in Zurich. I've been in Switzerland like so many times, but I'm just traveling to different countries and just enjoying life, That's what life is all about, just enjoying it. And yeah, just gonna continue. Call it a wrap. Let me know if you like the track, if you like the music and everything. And this bell just can't stop ringing. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Catch you in the next day. See ya.
Pushing boundaries, attempting something new, embracing the change on a regular basis, channeling vision beyond limit, or stay in the same place, frozen.
The Arctic.